Good morning children, welcome back to the biology class. Okay, still we are continuing the 6th chapter photosynthesis. In last class we discussed about the definition of photosynthesis and process of photosynthesis and types of photosynthesis. What are the two types of photosynthesis? One is light reaction and another one is dark reaction. In previous class we learned up to the light reaction. What is light reaction? It is in the presence of light, what is the photosynthesis process can be takes place is called as light reaction, and it is also called as photochemical reaction. Photochemical means by using the light energy, it is converting the light energy into chemical energy, and it is observed by a scientist called as Hill. That's why it is called as Hill reaction. And all this process can be taken place in grain of chloroplast. Now we are discussing about the second process, dark reaction. Dark reaction means it is not occurs in the dark. It is not dependent on light. Means it is not dependent on light. Without depending on the light, what are the reactions can be taken place are called as dark reaction, and it was observed by a scientist called as Kelvin. That's why it is called as Kelvin cycle, and also it is called as biosynthetic reaction. Why? Because by using some enzymes, the chemical reactions can be taken place, converting the carbon compounds into different forms. That's why it is called as biosynthetic reaction, and these reactions can be occurs in the stroma of chloroplast. Both grana and stroma are the parts of chloroplast, and these two are taken place. One is taken place occurs in the light reaction, and another one is taken place in dark reaction. And what are the steps involved in the dark reaction? There are 3 steps involved in the dark reaction. The first one is fixation of carbon dioxide, okay, which is the raw material for photosynthesis. Carbon dioxide is the raw material, one of the raw material for photosynthesis. Yes or no? Yes. Okay, that's why first one is fixing of carbon dioxide. Okay, for that fixation, 5 carbon compound RUDP. 5 carbon compound name is RUDP. It is a sugar compound. 5 carbon compound RUDP. The full form of RUDP is ribulose 1,5-diphosphate. Ribulose 1,5-diphosphate. That 5 carbon compound will be fixed in the dark reaction by converting into that 5 carbon compound is converted into 3 carbon compound plus PGA, phosphoglyceric acid. Some compounds of phosphoglyceric acid. 3 carbon compound and some compounds of phosphoglyceric acid. 5 carbon compound has been converted into 3 carbon compound and PGA. That PGA, phosphoglyceric acid, is a stable product. It is a stable product. That is the first step. And the second step is formation of sugar. Formation of sugar. Converting the 3 carbon compound into 6 carbon compound, a glucose product. Formation of sugar. 3 carbon compound and some PGA compounds. What are the 3 carbon compounds found in the first step? And those 3 carbon compounds and PGA, phosphoglyceric acid compounds, combined together to form into 6 carbon compound. 5 carbon compound has been changed into 6 carbon compound with the help of 3 carbon compound and PGA. In this converting the 3 carbon compound into 6 carbon compound, NADPH2, reduced nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphate, and ATP, adenosine triphosphate. These are the 2 products, are the end products of light reaction. Those can be utilized by here in dark reaction. What are the end products produced in the light reaction are utilized by the dark reaction in the second step, when it is converting the 3 carbon compound into 6 carbon compound called as glucose. Then third step is regeneration of RUBP. From that 6 carbon compound, again the 5 carbon compound will be formed. Again the 5 carbon compound will be formed. That is only called as regeneration of RUBP. What are the leftover PGA compounds in the first step? That PGA, phosphoglyceric acid compound, helps in changing the 6 carbon compound glucose into RUBP, and later it is converted into RUDP. The full form of RUBP, ribulose 1,5-biphosphate. Ribulose 1,5-biphosphate, and later it will be converted into ribulose 1,5-diphosphate. biphosphate into diphosphate. That is called as regeneration of RUBP, converting the 6 carbon compound into 5 carbon compound and later into RUDP, ribulose 1,5 diphosphate. And in a cyclic manner, the changes will be taken place, and it was observed by a scientist called as Calvin. That's why this dark reaction is also called as Calvin cycle. And end products. What are the end products will be produced either in the light reaction or in the dark reaction? Are end products of the photosynthesis are glucose, oxygen and water. What are the end products? Glucose, oxygen and water. Glucose can be utilized as the food and oxygen will be utilized as the respiratory gas, and water can be helped in utilization of the functioning of the body. Those are the end products produced in the process of photosynthesis. And factors, for every process some factors will be effects, yes or no? Okay, like that only photosynthesis process also can be affected by some external factors and as well as internal factors. What are the external factors? External factors means which are taken from the atmosphere, okay, which will be taken light, carbon dioxide, temperature and water are the external factors affecting the rate of photosynthesis. In the same way, internal factors. What are the internal factors? Where the photosynthesis process taking place, that is called as internal factor. Where it is taking place? In the grana and stroma of the chloroplast. Where the chloroplast will be present? In the leaf of a plant. That's why internally it is present inside the leaf. That's why those are called as internal factors. Chlorophyll and structure of leaf. Shape and structure of the leaf also can be affects the rate of photosynthesis. That's why chlorophyll and structure of leaf is called as internal factors, and light, carbon dioxide, temperature and water are called as external factors. Both these external and internal factors can be affecting in increasing or decreasing the rate of photosynthesis. That was these factors are affecting the rate either increasing or decreasing. That was observed by or studied by one of the scientists. His name is called as Blackman. The scientist who observed the external and internal factors are increasing or decreasing the rate of photosynthesis will be observed by a scientist called as Blackman. Okay, he has been observed that one. External and internal factors, both external and internal factors are controlling the rate of photosynthesis. It has been concluded that one, Blackman has been concluded that one, rate of photosynthesis has been controlled by both external and internal factors as well. Okay children, did you understood? This is the topic about dark reaction. In next class we can learn that one, significance of photosynthesis. Thank you. Please note down all the important points and write in your CW. Thank you.